Hey, so what's up, guys? Edward here, Team Profits, with another video. This time, we're going to be talking about gold. I'm going to be showing my expectations for next week, what's going to be. First things first, all we have to do is just find our trend. We have to actually take a look at the actual chart and find our actual trend. So if it's going up, it's going down. So basically, we draw a lines on a higher time frame, on a daily time frame, and so basically that's going to help us to identify uh, what's the direction of the market. Okay, that's the first thing. Price action. Remember, before you apply any type of indicator, first things first is price action. You gotta find and draw your own lines and try to identify where the market is going. Okay, once you do that, so let's see, I'm on a daily time frame, so let me go on a 4 hour. This is what I see personally. Okay, this is my personal analysis. And so basically what we have, you can see the price coming up. Well, basically it was on this flag pattern. It went down. You see these two green lines right here, gray lines, sorry. These are the one for the 1 day, the daily trend. Okay, so it's basically it's finding a support in this area. It's also touching the actual channel, the actual flag. It was touching in here, and it went all the way up. So it did a bounce. Like if I go on a daily time frame, you can see it's actually a beautiful engulfing. This was the actual engulfing candle. This was telling us, hey, this is a reversal. So by going on a 4 hour time frame, you can clearly see right there. So the price changed, and it's kind of doing like a pattern as well in here. It could be like a head and shoulder pattern. Plus, you can see from here, you should have drawn your line to break up a structure. The price was coming down, and then it broke above, came down and retest this area. So it created a higher low, right? This is a high, pardon, I'm sorry. This is the lower low, lower high, right? And it's also creating higher highs. So for that, we're gonna also draw a line, right? On a 4 hour, this time I'm on a 4 hour time frame. So I drew a line all the way up. So what's happening? The price is basically like right here, there's a resistance, there's another resistance over here. So it's basically going up. Plus, you can also see the channel, the actual channel that I drew, this support, I would say, is some type of trend line as well as a support. So it looks like on a 4 hour time frame, it looks like it wants to break. It tried to break once, it came down, now it's coming back up again. So there's a pretty good chance of breaking above this and going and finding higher levels. So it could go maybe this area, or yeah, because this is one key level right there, or it could go this high. This is just an example. So far from here, it is looking like it wants to break, but we just gotta wait a little bit more because it's just right there in the area. So just by following the actual price action. If I go on a 1 hour, I think I wanted to show you something. I was scalping this on Friday, and this beautiful trade right here. This one I took on Friday. So the price was coming in on a flag pattern as well. It started to consolidate. What I did was, and you can see, in fact, it's pretty much repeating. Uh, you see right here, this area, it kind of looks similar. If I go on a 4 hour, it kind of looks similar to this. You see this, it went up, it got like a fake breakout, and it went down. So most likely this is going to shoot up. It's an idea. So on a 1 hour time frame, that's what happened. You see the break of a structure. I drew a line from here to this area, and as soon as the price broke above the actual trend line, I waited to also break the actual resistance zone, a little resistance zone that was over here, and I just did the entry right away. I was not even for a second in drawdown. It went all the way up like right away. So it consolidated in this area, then it did a little drop down. I remember it touched the 38, if I'm not mistaken. It did touch 38 from here to here. It did touch the 38.20 on the Fibonacci, and it went all the way up. So that's basically it. That was what happened with the scalping. I like to do scalpings on Fridays. So well, on a 1 hour, like I mentioned, I think we are looking up. We're definitely looking to go up. We're gonna have to wait on Monday how it's going to react on this area. So usually what I do is I check on my higher time frames, and then in order to make an entry, I usually go maybe 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute. It depends to follow the actual trend. So at the moment, you can see there, at the moment, the price went above this. I had drawn a line over here. This is an example. I'm gonna delete this one. So the price went up and is doing like a retest over here. Of course, this is in a 1 hour, 1 minute time frame. So this could change drastically. So it is definitely looking up. I expect the price to um do this maybe a little. It may go up to reach this level right here, maybe a little drop again from here, and then it will start looking this area most likely, and then it will continue going up. Just as long as we are above the 4 hour um, channel, little trend right here, and we are breaking on this area. We're breaking above this area. So this is definitely a confirmation. Okay. So another thing, basically, after this is what I use, right? Just price action. Now, in the next video, most likely I'm going to be showing you what's my strategy and what things you can see there, the analysis that I do, the actual strategy that I have with the EMAs and the SMAs that I use to give me more confirmations and make me feel more comfortable with the actual entry. It just give me a confirmation. Like for example, quick example. Let me pull up this SMA right here. So basically, you see what's happening. The actual price is coming above the SMA, and it did a bounce. So it went up, bounced, and this is an actual confirmation. This is beautiful confirmation. So the price is coming now below. It wasn't a downtrend all the time. The price was pushing below the actual line, and now is starting to turn over the actual line. The price is above the line, and the confirmation of the breaking of the structure, both of structures. So this is confirmations, basically. You see what I mean? So I am pretty sure at the moment, as how it looks, just with this line, it's starting to look like we're definitely going above. We're going to be going up on gold for next week. And this is my prediction. So if you have any doubts, any question, guys, just leave your comments below. If you're new on the channel, just subscribe and remember to activate the little bell so you can get notifications as soon as I post a new video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Just have a wonderful day. Okay, take it easy, guys. Take care.